Hello guys, today we are going to talk about succession terms. That's have two types, acropetal or basipetal. Now before we start this thing, let me tell you, it's going to help you in epidemiology or modification of flowering part or inflorescence. If you haven't cleared these simple terms, these simple terms, then you might have obstacles to know about CYMOSE and racemose inflorescence. Now let's start it. Now trick is that the terms show itself referring only new part. Just like acropetal mean, if we ever hear about these terms, we going to recall it only referring new part of the sporangiophobe or flowers. Now I'm going to elaborate it. Acropetal succession. Acro mean new part will be on the upper side, and this part can be sporangiophore or plant flower. Comes to the upper end or older part will be on the lower end. There's acropetal succession and now basipetal succession. In this succession, older flower or sporangiophore will be on the upper side and new one will be on the lower side. It's mean now racemose inflorescence have basipetal succession and CYMOSE will be have only the left succession, that will be acropetal succession. Okay, and now you can see the diagram for the differences. Now in the lower part of the diagram there is CYMOSE, and you can see now the lower part of the diagram is showing CYMOSE inflorescence. Now you can see flower and bud. Flower is the older part and bud is the newer part. Newer part is on the base, that's why we call it basipetal inflorescence, and left inflorescence will be have a racemose succession.